Let's explore how to detect and safely delete orphaned options with Advanced Database Cleaner. Options are key value settings saved in WP Options table by WordPress plugins and themes. When a theme or a plugin is removed or its folder is deleted manually, it can leave data behind. Those leftovers are orphaned options. They still take space, and if some are auto-loaded, WordPress loads them on every page. Cleaning them reduces the options table size and the total auto-load size. To find orphaned options, we first need to scan. Right after installing the plugin, the Belongs To column usually shows owners only for WordPress core and for Advanced Database Cleaner itself. The scan discovers the rest. Click Start a Scan for options. Choose a mode: Local Scan Only, which uses an advanced algorithm to detect ownership based on your current environment, or Local and Remote Scan, which is recommended. Runs the local step, then sends non-sensitive data to our central server and compares your options against a large, constantly updated database of known plugins and themes for higher accuracy. It can take a bit longer on large sites. If you want the full privacy and technical details, see the article link in the description. When the scan completes, the Belongs To column is updated. WordPress core items show a lock icon and can't be deleted. A plugin or theme name without a percentage means that we are 100% sure this option belongs to it. You'll also see whether it's active, inactive, or not installed. A percentage is a confidence hint from the scan. Below 100% means likely but not certain. These percentages are usually more reliable with long, distinctive values than with short or generic names. Some option names are used by multiple add-ons. Use the info icon to open a panel that lists known plugins or themes that use this option and shows their status. To focus your work, use the quick categorization filters just under the main filters: All Options, Orphans, Plugin Options, Themes Options, WP Options, and Not Scanned. Click Orphans to see only the items with no confirmed owner. Normally, orphaned options can be safely deleted, but it's wise to investigate first. Let's explore some practical techniques to help you do that. Remember, deletion is permanent and may break your site. Always back up your database or try changes on a staging site before deleting anything. The first technique is to investigate orphaned options that have a helpful More Info modal. Let's check this one, for example. As you can see in known plugins using this item, this option belongs 100% to Yoast SEO, and its status is not installed. That means Yoast SEO was likely installed on this WordPress environment and no longer exists now. To verify, let's use the Addons Activity module, which tracks your themes and plugins activity from the moment you activated Advanced Database Cleaner. Open Addons Activity, search for Yoast, then click Filter. You should see its activation, deactivation, and uninstall history. Since Yoast SEO is no longer installed, go back to Options, select that option, choose Delete from Bulk Actions, and Apply. This removes a confirmed leftover. Repeat this for similar cases. If the More Info panel doesn't confirm a previously installed add-on, or there's no More Info icon, use one of these two techniques to identify which plugin or theme an option belongs to. The first one is identifying the plugin or theme by its prefix. Look at the option name itself. For example, this option, Elementor Checklist. Even if there's no info panel, the prefix Elementor clearly points to the Elementor plugin. If you don't recognize a prefix, do a quick web search or ask an AI assistant to see which add-on uses it. Next, verify that this plugin was installed in your WordPress environment using the Addons Activity module as we did earlier if you don't remember yourself. Once confirmed, we can treat options starting with Elementor as leftovers from Elementor. Return to Options, search for Elementor in the option name, select the Orphaned Options categorization filter, select the matching options, and run a bulk delete. The second one is identifying the plugin or theme by a clue in the value. For example, this option, SB Instagram Settings, doesn't have a clear prefix, neither the More Info icon. Let's check its value. Open the I icon to view the option value. If it's serialized, we switch to the formatted view. As you can see, we have here plugin to Instagram feed, which is a plugin that might have been installed before. Let's verify the Addons Activity history and search for Instagram feed. We can see here that the plugin was activated and later uninstalled, so we can safely delete this option. Go back to Options, search for it, and delete it. If an option is orphaned and you still can't identify its source using the info panel, prefix, or value, either leave it, test on a staging site first, or delete only after a backup so you can roll back if needed. Before any critical change, especially deletions, always back up your database, or try changes on a staging side copy first. Regular scans and careful cleanup keep your database lighter and help your site run more efficiently.